Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So, our today's topic is patterns in maths. So, I'm going to tell you what are patterns and after that I'm going to tell you how to do it. Okay, so first of all, basically we have to understand first what are patterns. As I already know that you have already done in your previous class, so let us revise once again what are patterns. Patterns is a series of items. Items can be in the form of shapes, objects, numbers, alphabets, figures and so on. You can see the patterns around you also. Okay kids, so patterns is a series of items that are placed in a certain order. Okay, that are placed in a certain or a particular order. Now by the help of whiteboard I am going to tell you how to do it. So our first is pattern of shape. Okay kids, now see it carefully. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. So kids, as you can see on the screen that here we are following the same rule: triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. So what is this? This is pattern. This is pattern. Okay kids, this we call pattern because here we are following the same rule: triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. And the next one pattern will be same as the other one: triangle, circle, square. Now kids, I am going to tell you by the help of in digits also kids. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3. The next pattern will be 4, the next 5, the next 6, the next 7. This is the increasing pattern because here we increasing the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let us move toward the decreasing pattern. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You can say this pattern as a backward pattern also, and this pattern as a straight pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here we are skipping one number, and by the help of skipping one number we got the next number. Here we are following the skip pattern of counting. Here we skip one number and we got 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So what will be the next number? Yes, 10. And what will be the next number? 12. As you can see, this is the table of 2. So as we add 2 plus 2 we get 4. When I add 2 plus 4 we get 6. And when I add 2 plus 6 then I got 8. So kids, by the help of this also you can also find out the skip count. Okay kids? Now our next is alphabet pattern. You can find patterns in alphabets also. Okay kids? Now I have one scale, and in that scale I have two alphabets: A, C. Here A, C, and the next one is A. What will be the next one? A, C, A. Then the next one will be C. The next one will be A. The next one will be C. The next one will be A. And the next one will be C. Here we are following the same continuing method of patterns. Okay kids? Now I am going to tell you the pattern by the help of flashcards also. Okay kids, now as you can see here, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flashcards, and on each flashcard there is an increasing number of circles. Okay, on the first one I have 2 circles, on the second one I have 3 circles, on the third one I have 4, this one 5, this one 6. Now you gonna tell me how many numbers of circle will draw here on this flashcard. Here we are following from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 7. Very good kids. So I think you understand. Very good. Now the next flashcard. On next flashcard, how many number of circle we will draw? We will draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us count one again. On this flashcard I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now kids, you can see here also we are increasing in our increasing pattern.
Now you can see on the screen there are certain types of patterns are given. So the first one is ice cream pattern, but there are 2 types of ice cream, the stick one ice cream and the cone one. So by the help of this you can easily identify the sequence or the repeating sequence of pattern. Okay, in the second figure you can see paintbrush, pencil, paintbrush, pencil, paintbrush, pencil. This is also a pattern. Now in the third figure, sun, moon, sun, moon, sun, moon. This is all. The next is the figure pattern. Kids, you can see triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, and the next pattern is same as triangle, circle, square. Now kids, in the next line you can see that there is a pattern of alphabets DDF, HGL, means this is also a pattern. Here we did the skip alphabets. Okay, the skip alphabet pattern. B, D, in this C is missing, D, F, in this E is missing, F, H, in this G is missing, H, J, in this I is missing, and J, L, in this L, K is missing. So kids, this is the way you can easily do the patterns and also do the missing patterns also. So kids, you